So like any architectural or engineering offices, they would have dimension standards. So to create a dimension standard, you type D, that's the shortcut for dim style or dimension style standard or manager. And then you create a new dimension style. These are the different uh, terminologies used for dimensioning. So you create a new one, you say Sheridan metric, start with the ISO-25 and make sure it is annotative so that the text, the arrows will scale based on the plot scale you choose. So similar to text style. And then you start with the symbol. Remember, don't start with the lines tab. Uh, you need to select the architectural tick first and then change the values. So arrow size 2, mark 2, break size 3.75, place arc length symbol above dimension text, jog angle 90, jog height factor 1.5. And then from here, go to the next or back to lines. See, you want to start with symbols and arrows first so that in the lines tab, you are able to extend beyond ticks and give a value to that. Otherwise, this will be grayed out because if you have here selected arrows for your arrowheads, then under extend beyond ticks, since you're not using architectural ticks, then this will be grayed out. Now, don't mind the color here. If it says by block, then you're good. Line type by block for line weight, those are all good. Okay. And then color by block, again, never mind if the color is different. Okay. So all of these are by block. And then extend beyond dim lines 2, offset from origin 2, and then length of 1. Now, if this is grayed out, then don't worry if it has a different value. If you want this to show as 1, click on the checkbox, change it to 1, and then uncheck this checkbox, right? But it doesn't really matter because it is not selected. And then go to the text tab. The text style, remember we created a dim text style. If you haven't done so yet, do the dim style video first. And then select dim. Color will make it magenta. So it's always magenta. Okay, fill color, none. Again, if the color is different, don't worry, as long as it says none. Text height 2. Okay. Vertical above, horizontal centered, view direction left to right, offset from dim line 1, aligned with dimension line. Okay, then you go to fit, fit option text placement over dimension line without leader, and then this is already going to be checked because we selected annotative in the beginning, but if not, do check that. Okay, again, this is grayed out, so don't worry about it. Draw dim line between extension lines. Okay, primary units, decimal, precision, 2 decimal places, decimal separator, period, 0, scale factor 1, and then trailing, decimal degrees for unit format, precision 0. Alternate unit, uncheck that. Tolerances, none. Okay, so that's your dimensions standard. Now, once you have said that, then we will add dimensions to show how this works.